here we are on the road. So we're going to my shop. We're gonna go work on the Roadrunner today. We got a lot of work still to go here on the back of the trunk. A couple things to get fixed going forward for the quarter panel. We got to fix a bunch of things around the back. And I'm excited. I'm excited to use my new camera that Alex got me, and hopefully these videos are even better for you guys to see what I'm doing on the car. So let's do it. Welcome to the shop. And there she is. Good old faithful Roadrunner. Now, there's a lot of work to be done on this car, but we're getting there step by step. This whole back window area, we're working our way towards repairing all these little rust holes and damaged areas in that channel, and then we can continue and complete actually welding in the quarter panel. Right now it's on the car mocked up just so we can see what it's going to look like, and it looks pretty damn good. And what I'm also doing is just scraping off the old gasket that was here on my back glass, because this was on the table over there, which I was using to help organize stuff. So get this off. Nice. And this is the area that all that rust was in that corner. So it was a pretty gnarly spot. Cutting through this metal that's lifted off with the rubber. Nice and clean now. Now I can wrap this thing up and put it in storage for a later date. A great date, which would be putting this thing back in the car when it's ready to get put back together. Wrapped it up to protect it, and we put this away for a better time when we got the car finished and we reinstall it. All right, now that looks a hell of a lot better. I feel comfortable now that things are organized and cleaned in there. Got a little table set up with all my tools and stuff. Let's pull this quarter panel off and we can get to work on actually fixing the metal. Always something going on here in the shop. Hang with Rob and Caleb. Let's get this quarter panel off and get back on this metal work. Alright, let's do some more work here. Get some of this old rusted metal out of the trunk. And I'm just kind of picking and choosing where I want to go. Nonetheless, it all gets done. So we're going to get all this nasty metal here that's kind of screwing up this angle picked out. Going to get all this old spring clips out of the way. The trim, cut that out. Weld that in, so it's just a little bit of cleanup. And those old spring clips are shot, so we'll just grind those off. And we'll get in here and make us a little bit of a patch, fix that. Gasket, weather stripping, and the remaining spring clips. You can use a dissimilar metal like copper or aluminum. Come behind it, you can plug little spots here in that channel. This larger one though, I'm going to cut out around it and we'll get a nice piece of something like this already bent. We'll just cut this off, get that in there. Alright, we're gonna tackle these small little holes first and then we'll make our patch here. Oh. They're patched up pretty good. Now that they're plugged, we'll continue plugging these little guys and then we'll get this thing patched in here. So we're plugging small holes that we have peeping through the bottom of the window channel, backing it on the one side with copper, and here welding it up. So yeah, this spot is pretty damn nasty. This is where Rust Mystic got its name from, because this whole area here was just really poorly welded in with this old metal combined with a new quarter that someone put in. This really sharp line here, and this all rotted out. Water got underneath it. It's terrible. So just like we did the other side, we're gonna make this patch here. Just gonna kind of mark off where the new one is going, and all of this is gonna have to get replaced anyway. So I'm just gonna kind of go piece by piece with it. Nasty. That's nasty. Goodbye. Goodbye to this. I'll hang this on the wall somewhere. It's going to be the corner replacement for the window corner, and we've got holes drilled through for getting some spot welds in the middle of it. Hell yeah. Nice. So a lot of surgery happened tonight. Got a lot of areas cut out. We got this corner here welded in. All the window channel is fixed. Now we just have to keep going through and finding all these little spots where there's a lot of bad stuff, and little by little we're getting there. Well, it's January 20th and I know I'm all over the place. We're waiting on the new quarter panel. Decided that we are gonna get a new quarter panel to go here on this whole side of the car. So in the meantime, I'm still patching up little holes that I found in the trunk floor and getting all the seams lined up from where the new trunk metal actually went in. So getting all that repaired and put in, and then we can just continue getting this car put together. So we'll be doing a bunch of welding tonight, and you can tag along for the fun. So I got us a nice little patch made for this area right here on the lower part of this back area by the bumper, and we'll have to fix also this missing part here on the inside. But for right now, we've got it lined up, and we're just going to continue going and welding it up. And there it is. We got a patch in this area here too, where the bumper mounts to. You can see where I had already cut out that area. And yeah, it's just a lot of freaking metal work on this car. That's that for tonight. Kick some butt out here. See you guys in the next time I'm working here.